Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about pruning a parthenocarpic cucumber plants. Friends, if you remember, I have put a video on how to support the cucumber plant or the cucumber vine couple of days back, where I have mentioned that all the parthenocarpic cucumber need to be supported with a single line trellis. Here you can see we have supported this vine with a single line, and you can see the growth of the vine. It is almost touching 5 to 6 foot. Now this vine has started developing flower. It is about to start the flowering. Now at this stage we need to prune this vine to get the best quality output. So in this video I am going to explain two methods of the pruning with which you can take either the best quality of the production or the little higher production at the sacrifice of the some quality. For knowing everything, you need to stay connected to the video till the end. So now let us start this video and see how the pruning can be done. Now pruning is very simple. First we need to train this vine vertically up. Then once it is developing the side shoots, we need to prune those side shoots to get the best of the fruit from its node. Most commercial farming of this type of cucumber is done like this. Here we can simply cut all these side shoots which are coming out from the main stem. We need to remove, and this plant have capability of producing good female flower from the main stem node only, and that will give the best size of the cucumber for the market. Now this cucumber plant we are growing for the home use purpose. So what we are going to do, we are going to prune little different way so that we'll get some extra number of the cucumber. Those cucumber may be not to the size is as it coming from the center node. So normally the center node will give a cucumber size of 150 gram. We are going to get around 25 to 30 cucumber of 150 gram. But what we are going to do is going to put some more nodes for the producing the cucumber. That's it how our number of cucumber will increase. It may reduce into the size, but as we are going to use it for the home purpose, we don't affect with the market price. In the result, the cucumber will got around 90 to 100 grams. But instead of one, we'll get the 2 or sometimes 3 cucumber. So this will increase the output per node. So from 25 to 30 node, we'll get around 2 cucumber, so around 200 grams. So around 5 to 6 kg we can get from the single plant. Now you can see that our plant has grown to the 5 foot. Here I will show you that this has started developing the side shoots, and the side shoots are with the flowers. Now we need not to take any side shoots up to 6 or 7 nodes. So we'll count from the bottom before pruning. So here is the scutellum. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the 6th leaf. Here on the 7th leaf the branch is there. So we are going to prune this branch for the good production. Same way, whatever branch coming in the top, we are keep on pruning. Now here we need to take care for the one thing. At the time we take the extra fruit, our vine growth on the top should not stop. If our vine growth are getting slower, it is okay. But it is getting more slower, then we must not prune to the 2 or 3 nodes on the sub branch or the branch. Instead of that, we can cut that and maintain the top growth. But if you nourish them well and the growth is continuing, then we can definitely take advantage of it and put the more cucumber on per node. Here I will show you how to prune this. So here you can see this is the branch, here is the tendril, here is the flower. You can see over here from this node, this is the cucumber and this is the cucumber. Now it is growing very well. So we will keep the 2 cucumber. Here is also cucumber, but we are going to prune this out. Now at the time of pruning, we must ensure that we must prune it from the center of the vine. This way we can remove this vine portion. Here you can see this is the cucumber developed on the 3rd node. Then here also you can see the flower is there, female flower, and here also is the female flower. But we are not keeping all this female flower because it will overload the vine. So we keep 2 cucumber per every branch or the side shoot. And this is how we'll take the extra bit of production from this cucumber. So friends, with this simple method, you can increase your cucumber yield per vine for your home growing. So how do you like my method of the pruning and getting the extra yield? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you find my video helpful, please like my video and share it with your friends. If you are interested in knowing such technique frequently, then please subscribe my channel and put your bell notification button on so that whenever I do some pruning or some other activity for increase the yield or the quality or the numbers, then you will come immediately the notification and you can see and do on your plant and get the extra yield. Happy growing!